This special property of crocodile skin was believed to summon rain over 2,000 years ago. The process begins by burying the crocodile skin in salt to remove moisture, then soaking it in chestnuts to break down rigid proteins and make it flexible. While the skin dries, he hollows out tree bark to create a chamber that echoes sound waves, producing a thunder-like effect. The outside is decorated with simple patterns and coated with natural lacquer. The skin is placed on top, holes are punched, and strings are tightened to lock it in place. Because of the skin's unique properties, the instrument produces a sound like thunder, once used by ancient people to summon rain.